So in this video, we'll talk about objects. So object is an entity of a class. So when you talk about real-time or real-life entities or you can say a thing you can use or you can operate on, they are objects. So class is something like it provides a definition for an object. So the behavior of the object is defined by the class. What object knows is defined by the class. So when you say you have an object, that means that object knows something and that object does something. So object knows something with the help of variables and object does something with the help of methods. Now this variables here, let's say we have an example of song. So song is a class name. In this song, I have two variables. One is title, second is artist. Maybe both are string. And then we have some methods. Methods like set title, set artist, and play. So this thing here, they are doing something. And this thing here, they know something. So object is what you use, and class is what defines what object will do. Right? So first you need to create a class, and then only you can create an object. So all the classes which are not abstract, we can create object of those classes. Now, so you have an object, and object is created with the help of class. So in class, we have to define two things: what object knows and what object does.